it's Overland Outfitters' 3rd annual team trip, and we're out here in the Chilcotins, gonna explore around and check out some new territory for a lot of the team, and have a good time camping.
It's time to go! Aye. Here we go! Whoop.
Yeah.
5 p.m. We've been cruising FSRs for about 2 hours now, 3 hours maybe. Not crossing by too many people, but we've got a whole crew of 9 vehicles. Everybody's keeping up. Everybody's driving at a good pace. We'll definitely get there by dark, but yeah, let's see where we end up. I'm pretty stoked. This is my first time anywhere past Whistler on this end, so I'm excited to end up anywhere. We've made a few stops and I've already taken a lot of pictures.
It was a cold one last night, hey?
It was a little cold, yeah. I woke up in the middle of the night a little cold, but I was too lazy to get into my second sleeping bag.
So we're on the ascent today, boys then?
Yeah!
We're
buddy.
ascending the mountain with the team.
We're overlanding.
We are most certainly overlanding today. Big crew. Get her in the sun. That frost off there. How'd you sleep, buddy?
Pretty good for no one telling us that it's going to go below freezing tonight. That was a little bit of a shock, so.
Gotta get this puppy in the sun.
I don't even know if it's going to close.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Partying at 11:30.
I like how here comes the base. Oh.
Breakfast of champions, what can I say?
Yeah, best way to start the day.
Yeah, right? Yeah, baby!
Yeah, now we gotta push my canopy back on.
Oh yeah, the canopy slid. You know it's steep when the canopy's sliding up.
Stuck in there, big.
Yeah, Mags, you got mega stuff. We could throw the clip up, actually. I have the clip.
Yeah.
Should we show the clip?
Yeah.
Stuck. Very stuck.
Whoa, Max! Stop! Max, don't move!
Yeah, I was in deep.
AMRV's what we got. whittle them down. Stick it to them by sticking around. The gang online, Iwo Jima got one flag and it's sticking the ground. Setting up shop. Think I got the message across. Came for the titles, impressed with the watch. We played the levels of Letterman jocks. Pins on the jacket, the man's abundant. The point of the road was banned and rugged. Hushing, I'm flying no pants in London. The products are not being scared of some judgment. Gotta stay in the cut. Cut you off if you ain't making the cut. Couldn't tell you who the hell is behind us. You start to forget when you stay in the front of it's up. And it's up for grabs. No remorse of who I'm taking it from. Numbers I give on my scoreboard is the only form of us staying in touch. That's saying enough. It's time to receive for all of the favors I've done. Too late for y'all to switch teams. Everybody getting big leagues. Product flying out the shell. What's in store for us? Known to hit a hole in one. Look at the crowd and shoulder shrug. Shots are limited. I'm scared mango with the golden gun. Posted up. Ready for whatever, boy. You know what's up.
This is different, man. Something else, eh? Yeah, this is too cool. This is top of the world. Top of the friggin' world, man. Sick, man.
Go down.
Go down. Just trailing behind Kyle here.
If life is a movie, you got a choice. So what are you choosing? Then you fold. My dogs are holding the code. We never get loosey. These days everyone's wrapped in gold. The money don't change it for you, even though. Don't let the
Second stint of our Overland Outfitters team trip. Pretty nice morning. Another one of those blue sky days. Sunrise is coming up.
Girl, the one who are really attached. Then the ones who will hold out your back. Give you praise when you're in a trap. Shoot and just hope you get you a stack. But yeah, that's life. You know the price. You know that right. You know that's right. If life is a movie, you got a choice. So what are you choosing? Then you fold. My dogs are holding the code. We never get loosey. These days everyone's wrapped in gold. The money don't change it for you, even though. Don't let the snake come change your goals. Keeping it honest, don't tell them who told. You should change the choices that you're making. God ain't say your soul so you can break it. You should stop to think about yourself again. Wait, you already do. You could care less if it ain't about you. You only focus on clothes and hoes and shorties that really can do what they do. That's sad, yeah. My bad, yeah.
Got the trail decor. Just in time for Christmas.
If life is a movie, you got a choice. So what are you choosing? Then you fold. My dogs are holding the code. We never get loosey. These days everyone's wrapped in gold. The money don't change it for you, even though. Don't let the snake up change up your goals. Keeping it honest, don't tell them we told.